Hi there, Rebecca Lang with Remax Hallmark, coming to you from my elegant new listing in the Riverside community. Situated on a wide lot with a cobbled private drive, this refined detached abode is done to the nines. I can't wait to show you around, so let's start at the front. The covered entry with stone landing leads to a main floor foyer with coat closet and a discreetly tucked away powder room. The serene living room features rich hardwood floors, both recessed and ambient lighting, and a view of the quaint street through birch leaves. Highlights of the impressive chef's kitchen are an enormous island, quartz counters, gas range, and lots of integrated storage. A wall of tall French doors spans the kitchen and dining room and creates a seamless connection to the outside. Stepping out to the full-width deck, you'll find a low-maintenance urban zen garden, natural gas barbecue hookup, and a motorized retractable awning to keep things cool under the south exposure. Combining this great outdoor space with the main floor's wide floor plan, it is easy to envision this home playing host to groovy cocktail parties and family gatherings alike. Leading upstairs is a modern oak staircase with skylight overhead that floods the hallway with brightness. The high ceilings and tall doors stand out on this level. The master bedroom features a double closet and a 5-piece ensuite bath with double vanity. The second bedroom is queen-sized and offers a tranquil view of the backyard. The third bedroom is ideal as a home office with its ample natural light and Juliet balcony. A hallway bathroom with glass shower and convenient laundry room complete the second floor. With almost 8 feet of clearance, the lower level family room is a rare find for the neighborhood. The home theater space is perfect for family film fests, and a nook in behind makes for a handy second office, craft studio, or kids' playroom. Rounding out the lower level is a bright guest room with double closet and its own 3-piece ensuite washroom. This sophisticated home is located just east of the Don Valley in the vibrant yet peaceful Riverside community. With Leslieville, Corktown, Riverdale, and the Danforth all just steps away, you will never run out of interesting places to walk. You'll enjoy a village lifestyle with almost all day-to-day needs accessible by foot. Morning coffee can be had at the Rooster or Dark Horse, and market-style grocery shopping is around the corner in East Chinatown, which is of course also great for dim sum or dinner. Evening cocktails are magical at the rooftop of the Broadview Hotel, and sunsets behind the city skyline are a must-see from Riverdale Park. Speaking of Riverdale Park, everything from swimming to hockey to tennis to field sports and tobogganing is on tap at this hub of outdoor activity, all a mere 500 steps away. It is also a gateway to the endless cycling and jogging options of the Don Valley's paths and trails. When it comes to venturing beyond the hood, commuters enjoy the convenience of being able to walk to both Girard and Broadview streetcar routes in less than 3 minutes, where they can then be whisked to Line 2 subway in 5 minutes. Access to the DVP is just a 2-minute drive via Dundas, and you can be at Yonge Street in as little as 15 minutes by either streetcar or bike. If elegant urban living in a peaceful yet vibrant community, blessed with amazing parks and green space sounds like your cup of tea, then you're going to want to see this home. Get in touch with me to find out more.